Exactly. It started it.
That's a new bed look.
Started it.
Wow.
Nicely done.
Peter might want some of them as a souvenir, I don't know.
Well, that's the hands of the best cosmetic plastic surgeon in the valley.
I'll leave him sitting here on the screen.
As a souvenir.
That's from your car.
Those are your old upper control arm
Pretties.
stuff.
Okay, you should be able to get that apart.
Quitter. All right, so that's good. So we need to finish cleaning up this arm now that Wick's got the ball joint out. And then we can start getting ready to put the new ball joint in it. Grant, how's this marinade looking? You want to move some of that stuff around in there? Maybe glove up a little bit?
Need a little more. What,
Doctor.
did we take it out already? Why is it back in? I don't understand what's happening.
Oh, that's the rust dissolver. Like
That's
that, that one thing needs to flip, and some of this stuff needs to get wiped down. So definitely glove up. Paul's gloved up.
Oh, whoa. We didn't do the hard one. This is the other stuff.
Hmm.
We still got one more. We got two more to go.
Yeah, we got to flip some of the stuff that's in here. So carefully with the gloves.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
We got to flip
Yeah.
the. Let's pull these out.
And turn them.
There you go.
Like
Turn it
that?
like that. Yeah, and put that in. And same with that one. But see how nice that's getting? Oh yeah. All right, now let's get. Go ahead and pull that out because we're pretty much done with that. That we can just set up there. That's fine. Those brackets down there need to be flipped over. Yeah, that needs to just be flipped over. There you go. Yeah. And then there's two arm cross shafts down there. They need to come out. Yeah, those can come out and just set them down. Those are done. And then we can start assembling our upper arms here in a little bit. Beautiful. Good job, everybody. All right. Keep working. There we go.